Hey guys, welcome to Nightcrawler Reviews. Today I'm going to be restoring this MacBook that I found in the garbage. Except for it's not a MacBook. So as you just saw, this thing is not actually a MacBook. It's an HP laptop, but someone put an Apple sticker on it. Surprisingly, they got the Apple sticker pretty much like perfect, so it looks like a MacBook. But it's not. But yeah, I found this thing in the garbage like the beginning of this year, and it's just been sitting in my closet waiting to be cleaned up and restored and all that, because this thing is a mess. So what we're gonna be doing on it today is I'm gonna clean off the outside because it is a mess. I'm gonna open it up and clean out the insides and then replace the thermal paste so it doesn't get so hot. Alright, so since I last recorded the talking head bit, it's been about 5 months-ish. I totally forgot about this project and the entire video, but the laptop is now clean. It runs much cooler. I installed a fresh copy of Windows and it runs so much better, so much faster too, with all the cleaning and everything. I mean, you saw that literal carpet that was in front of the cooling vent. So now that I've cleaned it up, let's do some benchmarks. So I'm not expecting this thing to do the best in the benchmarks, so that's why I installed Roblox. Very easy game to run, so we'll see how it does. Alright, so after installing Roblox and MSI Afterburner, I was able to see what the FPS was in Jailbreak. The minimum was 2 FPS, the high was 15, and the average was around 10 to 11. Really not that great. I think that's a good enough test for this thing to really determine that it isn't good for gaming. I mean, if you put an SSD in this thing, it would probably be like good for like normal. But anyways, I think that'll do it for the video. So I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.